one thing about it, if I can do it myself, I'm gonna do it.
I'm too classy for this world. Forever I'm that girl. Feed you diamonds and pearl. Oh baby, I'm too classy to be touched.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas around me, right at the guy. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me, right at the guy. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just threw on a hoodie, it's a print shop. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things just started getting tenser. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss ya. Right now I'm just stuck inside a crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Yeah. Who am I? All the niggas around me, right, die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Yeah. Heart still on traveling, baby. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. I was pulling off, but they knew me. Sometimes I wish there was two of me, or three of me, when it was you and me. I'm outside in it. I'm outside in it. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside. All the niggas around me, right at the guy. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me, right at the guy. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just threw on a hoodie, it's a print shop. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things just started getting tenser. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss ya. Right now I'm just stuck inside a crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Yeah. Who am I? All the niggas around me, right at the guy. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Yeah. Heart still on traveling, baby. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. I was pulling off, but they knew Sometimes I wish there was two of me, or three of me, when it was you and me. I'm outside in it. I'm outside in it. I'm.
Good morning. Y'all, that ponytail was a little challenging when it came to wrapping it around, so I had to do the rest off camera, but this is the final look of the pony. This is the same hair that I used at WNBA All-Star in July. And I got the hair from Adriana. I will link that in the description. I think this was Body Wave. I forget the inches, but I will put all that info in the description. Like, I know my ponytail is not perfect, but she's cute. She's doable. She's giving what needs to be gave. But the next thing on this maintenance to-do list is my lashes. I need to do my lashes. Ooh. And as you can see, I am in a hotel because I am in Vegas because it is Buki's last game of the season. And y'all know I had to pull up. No, but it is Buki's last game of this season, and I wanted to be here to support her, have a good time, and close out the season tonight. But I got these lashes off the TikTok shop. One thing about it, if I can do it myself, I'm gonna do it. Like, being a DIY girly is very coin saving, okay? Only thing I'm not gonna do is like my nails and like my toes, but everything else I'm gonna do. So let's get into these lashes. VI's Beauty. Now, I have used them before, but these ones are different because they have a clear band. The other lashes that I used from them, they had that black band, but these are clear, and these also are like a different curl. So I'm excited to try these. So let's do these lashes really quick. I'm gonna go in with 16, 16, 14, 12, 10, and 8. And we're gonna see what that looks like. And if I have to double stack them, then I will. So let's get into it. I love these lashes because they are so easy to put on, okay? All right, so we're gonna go in with the Lash Bond. Also, taking the lashes off the tray makes it easier and goes by faster, okay? So we're gonna go in with the 16. There we go. Bam! Okay. 16, 16. I'm obsessed already. Ah! 14. 14, 12. 10. These are so cute. OMG. Okay, this is my first impression of these. I don't know if y'all can see, but they're like wispy as well. 8. These are so cute. I'm trying to think if I should stack them or not. I do like a little more volume. Let's just do the other eye first, and then we'll see if we're gonna stack them or not. Okay, these are super cute, but I think that I wanna stack them. I'm not gonna stack them. They're just so cute how they are. So let's seal them. Perfect. Chef kiss. Now that I did my lashes, I can get some homework done. I thought the lashes were gonna take longer, but I'm trying to get everything done before she gets back so we can stay on our game day routine. So I'll be back when it's time for me to get ready for the game. We're in Vegas. It's Bookie's last game of the season.
But I'm not playing.
Yeah, I just literally found that out like a couple hours ago. So remember when I told y'all I was gonna take a nap? We didn't take no nap, okay?
We came out and got some sun.
Yeah, some vitamin D is giving.
Yes, she looks beautiful.
Look out, we got the lashes, we did the pony, it's giving DIY Bay all day. Cheers, I got me a French 75 with Hennessy. If you're not putting Hennessy in your French 75s, what are you doing? I'll be back when we get ready.
But she's still gonna be courtside. Look at it. I'll be watching the game, then I'll be trying to see what she got going on. She by our bench over there, so I'll make sure I'm tuned in. Ain't nobody talking to her.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Get into it.
Because she had the nerve to be kikiing with A Boogie at the New York game, courtside. I'm trying to play the game. I keep looking over. I'm like, what is so funny? What was so funny?
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me tell y'all really quick.
Yeah.
So, Ellie the elephant, the mascot
She gonna
for
blame
New
the
York.
elephant.
Listen, hold on. Listen. So she didn't know that there was like the live game going on, and she stepped in front of us and she started dancing, going crazy. So me and him, we just like, she wasn't aware, and it was funny.
Imagine you in the middle of the game. You playing, you about to take a peek at your girl. She kikiing with A Boogie.
That was it. That was literally it. I promise.
Oh yeah, I'm ready. Know we're on. Where you gonna be at? Later on. Why you make it so complicated? Won't be drinking, we concentrating. I know you won't leave me hanging. Smoking weed out the container. Spend cash for entertainment. There's more where I came from, that's all I'm saying. It's me and you and we making arrangements. It's you and me and we making arrangements. I'll keep it simple, baby. Yeah, I'ma keep it simple. With you, baby. You know I don't got to play no games. You know I don't.
What can I say?
24. Big 24. Cute. Very demure. Very sexy. Yeah.
What's that?
That's what? Philosophy.
Was South Africa?
Yes. Ready and Grace.
Never complicated. Got me feeling some type of way. Concentrating on the way you keep the rhythm. Oh my God, I'm glad you came. You came through with that sativa, and it could be happening, so you know just how to keep me up. You know it, better believe it.